Supreme Court has urged Punjab and Haryana to resolve the Shambhu border issue without waiting for a court order, emphasizing the importance of immediate, effective solutions. A bench led by Justice Suryakant directed police officers from Patiala and Ambala to meet within a week to discuss partially opening the border. The court suggested prioritizing the highways used for ambulances, essential services, students, and daily commuters. The Supreme Court also praised the non-political nominees from both states for the proposed committee to negotiate with farmers and will pass an order on its formulation. The next hearing is set for August 22. The Supreme Court dismissed a petition challenging the government's decision to cancel the UGC NET June 2024 exam due to a paper leak. Filed by some test takers, the petition argued that the exam should not proceed until the ongoing CBI investigation is completed. However, the bench, led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, declined to consider the plea, stating that it could create chaos. The court noted that the government has scheduled a new exam on August 21 and it would be unfair to leave around 9 lakh students in uncertainty. The Supreme Court has postponed the hearing of a criminal defamation case against Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal for 6 weeks. The case involves a retweet by Kejriwal of a video by YouTuber Dhruv Rathi related to BJP IT cell. During the hearing, Kejriwal's lawyer, Abhishek Manu Singhvi, expressed the CM's desire to resolve the matter by offering an apology. Singhvi requested time to draft the apology, citing ongoing events in Kejriwal's life. The complainant's lawyer agreed to the postponement but insisted that the apology draft be circulated soon. The court agreed to the delay, setting the next hearing in 6 weeks. The Supreme Court, led by Justice B.R. Gavai, issued notices to the CBI and ED regarding the bail plea of BRS leader K. Kavita in the Delhi liquor policy scam case. During the hearing, senior advocate Mukul Rohtagi, representing Kavita, argued that she has been in the custody for the past 5 months. He pointed out that charge sheets have been filed with 493 witnesses listed. Rohtagi sought bail for Kavita, citing precedents set by the bail granted to Manish Sisodia, Prabir Purkayastha, and Arvind Kejriwal. However, the court refused to grant interim bail without hearing the agency's responses and issued notices to the CBI and ED. The Delhi High Court granted major relief to dismissed Maharashtra trainee IAS officer Pooja Khedkar by staying her arrest until August 21. Justice Subramaniam Prasad's bench also issued a notice to Delhi police regarding her anticipatory bail plea. The next hearing is scheduled for August 21. During the hearing, the court instructed Khedkar's counsel, senior advocate Siddharth Luthra, to file an application to include UPSC as a party in the case. Khedkar had challenged the Patiala House Court's order which denied her anticipatory bail on August 1.
रितम मीडिया की नई ऐप आ गई है। जी हाँ, देश की उभरती हुई बहुभाषी मल्टीमीडिया रितम ऐप का नया वर्जन लॉन्च कर दिया है। इस नए अपडेट के साथ मिलेंगे आपको ढेर सारे मजेदार फीचर्स। जैसे ही आप ऐप खोलेंगे, आपको सबसे ताजी खबरों का सेक्शन लेटेस्ट न्यूज मिलेगा। इसमें आप देश दुनिया की हर खबर PIH और देख सकते हैं। साथ ही दिस डे इन हिस्ट्री में जानिए इतिहास की खास बातें। रितम मीडिया ने खास आपके लिए टीवी और वेब सीरीज सेक्शंस जोड़े हैं। अब देखिए अलग अलग न्यूज चैनल्स और मजेदार कहानियां। और हाँ, सिटीजन जर्नलिज्म को बढ़ावा देने के लिए वीडियो सेक्शन भी है। यहाँ आप अपने इलाके की बातें सब तक पहुँचा सकते हैं। खासकर महिलाओं और युवाओं के लिए भी अलग अलग टैब्स हैं, जो उनकी पसंद और जरूरतों को ध्यान में रखकर बनाए गए हैं। तो अब इंतजार कैसा? फटाफट गूगल प्ले स्टोर या iOS पर जाइए और रितम ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए। सबसे पहले पाइए अपडेटेड न्यूज।